We are starting a new project. Wide bottom fascia gutters 032. And we got a house, shop, and a pool house. We're going to be using these hidden hangers, premium with screws. We're going to start from the back side. We got 5 ladders set up. The guys are bringing in the gutter. We're going to get it installed. Look at all them brackets in there. Every 2 feet. How many guys does it take to screw in this gutter? 1, 2, 3, 4. Installing screws every 2 feet. That's solid. Install the gutter. And bolting it all the way. On the front of the gutter. Got the front installed. Looking nice. We are making progress. We got the 2 gutters up on here. This is installed. We're doing square downspouts, 3x4. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out here. Got our downspouts tucked in real nice and neat. We have all these trees. So put a little bit extra slope on here. It's in the back. And we have a leaf trap. So that's going to be amazing. Got the downspouts installed with little kickouts. Got the garage downspouts done. Turned out fabulous. They'll put some paint on here and it's going to be fantastic. Job complete.